Good evening, meteorologist Dean Davis and the Weather Pros, live weather blogs, and responding fire. We're taking a look at what's going on currently in the nation, and then we're going to zoom in probably into the interior and show you what's going to happen over in the next couple of weeks. And this is the GFS model. I'm going to show you there is going to be a couple systems that we have to watch here in the Roanoke area. Currently, you have ice and snow up in the Massachusetts area and northeast, and some here in Ohio. This is going to move along and be out of the way by the time afternoon tomorrow occurs. Dry air here in the Midwest at the current time. Next system will move towards us and dry out. And by the time you get to Saturday and Sunday, we're going to be very close to having snow versus rain here. This is going to be really close. And north of, right around the 24 area is right where it's looking at right now. Probably going to be more north on the system, unfortunately. And then you see we get into another system, moves out. And then even another system, this one would probably be a little bit more of an issue going into the 20th, where we have ice, freezing rain, and a little bit of snow. And then we will see it dry out as we tend to the 23rd, 24th, and it'll be a rain event to a snow event potentially for the 27th. And that is basically what we're going to see over the next week and a half. So we have to keep an eye on that very closely. So we have a potential up to 4 to 5 different storms by the end of the month. So keep you updated here at the Weather Pros and live weather blogs and Responding Fire, and we'll talk to you again soon. Meteorologist Dean Davison. Thanks for watching.